Oh, hello there, Julius Anthony here. I'm an internet marketer, and just making this short video. I'm going to make it very brief. It was the end of the month yesterday. Today is the 1st of March 2018. So my last feed was in January the 31st. And okay, if I can bring this up on the screen. My last video, and what we had, I said I had about 80 ad packs. So what I'm doing at the moment is sort of focusing on this, how would I call it, plan, wealth creation, whatever you want to call it. And so this plan with FutureAdPro is what I'm doing at the moment, focusing on this. I did this video last in January the 31st to see where I will see the progress, and this progress has been birthed from all the ad packs I've got from here. Most of it, I would say 80% of the ad packs that I've got from onto FutureNet. FutureAdPro has been from some of the revenue shares that have actually folded up last year. So it seems that FutureAdPro seems to be going, and it's a social media site that includes also revenue share, and so that's where I would normally get my revenues from to buy ad packs here. However, that's packed up. Actually quite a few of them packed up last year, so we've only got the revenues from FutureAdPro. So here we are. We've got about, what's that, 77 ad packs at the moment, and as of 28th of the 28th of February, we concluded, again, if you go down there, if you can see me highlighting that, 28th of February 2018, we had 3 additional ad packs to the £50 to the $50 one. Now it was a bit of a setback because I forgot to, you have to be clicking every day, and I think a number of days I actually forgot, or I let it lapse. And so I would say maybe I'm short about 2 packs, because that's my own fault, and this is why I want to sort of come in and give advice. This is sort of something long term. If you're thinking for a quick buck, I'm afraid this is not going to do it. And so with only having 3 ad packs the whole of February month, at least the 3 ad packs more that I've had, we've hit 80 at the end of February, which is some progress. It is slow, but you sort of got to be persistent in diligently doing your looking at 10 ads a day. I normally do it every 12 hours. I'll do one in the evening before I go to bed, and then before I go out to work in the morning, just in case something happens. And I think I missed one of my chances, and it just lapsed. I didn't put any extra funds in February. I have to wait and see if I'm gonna put some funds in, but in my next video I'll let you know. So we've got 80 ad packs for the month of February, ending of February, 80 ad packs. The aim is to get 85 by the end of March, if not even more, and that's where I'm going. I've also, if I just scroll up here, changed my status. So I don't think I showed you this, but you've got a status that you can claim. Now I actually didn't put money towards this. It's the money I got from the commissions, which I'll show you later on. I was here as of February, and I just used the commissions I had in FutureAdPro account to just upgrade to that, because I think it will give me more leeway and more organization at how I want to buy the ad packs. Personally, for me, I'd rather buy the 50 pack $50 ad packs. They sort of hold a lot more weight You can see how you be getting your payments. And with more 50 ad packs, $50 ad packs, I think they're more better. So I've gone straight into level 5. It's an ambition, but it'd be good to be able to have that much. So for the moment, if I go down again, I haven't got anybody on the team. I've got a team, but they're inactive. But it's not really about that. There's other things I'm trying to do. That was about over $300, and it's from that commission. Let me go. That I actually withdrew money to. Let's just go here. So now it's gone up to 287. So that was about 170 a couple of days ago. Now it's 284, which is a good. That's it. We'll see you. I'll probably make another video possibly by the end of March, and see where we're at, and hopefully we'll go for 85 or almost 90. Keep at it. I don't know, whoever is looking at this, if you have any questions, drop me a text, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thank you.